Hello everyone, welcome back to Penny Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM and unfortunately the clean element died. As you can see over here, this is the previous clean element that we removed from the machine and it basically popped up. You can see where it actually broke, and yeah, it was unfortunate and it left a big mess inside the boiler. As you can see, that's all. This is partially what's inside the clean element. Heat and all that stuff was all around it. You can kind of see how we remove everything, dry it up. So we end up cleaning everything inside the boiler. That's the condition of the boiler right now. That was the previous of the heat element. That's the previous heat element. And we also clean the boiler inside, make sure there's no any of these heat element material inside the boiler. And just for comparison, that's this heat element, and that's the newer one that we installed in the machine. You can see. Okay, perfect. That's all. So right now the heating element is in there. There's no leaks or anything like that. We already activated the steam. This is so we can test it out, and this is very important. This is the first step in order to do any kind of drinks or any cappuccino. You're gonna use the steamer. You have to use the steamer first, otherwise you're gonna drain the boiler, and by the time you use the steamer, the boiler will be too hot and you will end up breaking the heating element, because there will be no water inside the boiler, as this machine does not auto refuel itself. So you need to be very careful whenever you use the steam. You're gonna use any cappuccino, latte or anything, you should use the steam first, and then you have to cool it down. So I will show you how to do it. As you can see right now, the machine has extremely good pressure coming out of the machine. Really good steam, working perfectly fine. And like I said, you're gonna use the steamer first, do your cappuccino for your milk, do your milk drink, and once you finish using the steamer, what you're gonna do is just refill the boiler once back again with cold water to make sure that there's enough water for you to brew, and so the heat element doesn't dry up and gets damaged, you know. Perfect. Just make sure there's enough water in the boiler, which it is right now. And now you can do your shot of espresso. And hope the fragrance changes in the machine. Otherwise, you're gonna see the coffee or coffee very dripping. And probably I need to tamper a bit harder, a little bit more, to get that little bit extra little crema. As you can see, it blew up pretty fast, so it wasn't the best shot ever, but as you can see some crema coming out of the machine. Let me remove the water filter. There you go, shower screen, working perfectly fine. And just to recap, use the steamer first and then do your shot, because when you do your shot, you basically remove at least 2 ounces of water from the boiler, and that's very noticeable. And if you try to do steam, then you're just gonna overheat the boiler and you're gonna end up breaking the heat element once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kind of Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.